Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn some advanced concepts of XLOOKUP. So in the previous video, we had this data set and we had covered some formulas here. Now I have another data set here, which we will be using to understand the advanced part of XLOOKUP. So let me delete this and go back here. So last time what we had learned was lookup value, lookup array, and return array. But if you see, there are more functions to it, like if not found, match mode, and search mode. So we will learn that today. I apply the formula to X lookup, then lookup value, lookup array, and so till here we are aware. Now, what if the given value is not found? Last time we saw that if the given value which we are searching for doesn't match, then Excel throws error as NA. But let's say I don't want the NA as a result, I want not found as a result. So what to do? So after putting the return array here, I will simply put comma, and in the colon I will type, let's say, not found, bracket complete. Let me put space here. Yeah. Now as you can see, double A exists in the employee IDs. So sales was sales is written. What if I make it AB? So Excel is returning not found instead of NA. Now if I remove this not found for a moment, then it throws error as NA. This is one. Then apart from that, there are uh, two more concepts in this. One is match mode and search mode. So I have currently put it at 0 and 1, but I will explain you what it means. So first of all, match mode. So 0 means exact match. Then minus 1 is exact match or next smaller item. Then if you just put 1 here, then it will be exact match or next larger item. Currently we will cover 0, minus 1 and 1 only. And I will show you how it works. So currently I'm putting it at 0. Uh, and I make it, let's say, AB. So what I'm getting is not found. Now let's say if I make it minus 1, exact match or next smaller match. Now it is returning me sales. Why? Because alphabetically AA is smaller than AB, or AA comes before AB. That is why it is picking up sales. Now if I put, instead of minus 1, if I put plus 1 here, Excel will return me marketing because AC comes after AB. So next larger match. So I make it 1, exact match or next larger item. So I enter. So as you can see, it has returned me the value marketing because AC comes after AB. So I hope this is clear. And let me make it 0 again. And the next is search mode. Like how the lookup wants to search its values, like from top to bottom or bottom to top, or from left to right or right to left, depending on the way we have applied lookup. Currently we have applied it for columns, so vertically we are searching the value, so it will be like from top to bottom or bottom to up. So if I generally, we by default put it as 1. So to search from first to last, like first it will look sales. Let's say I'm putting AB, so first it will go in a chronological order like this. Look at the direction of my cursor like this. But generally this is what we use. In very few cases we have to use the search last to first, but then in that case Excel will search in the reverse order, like FA to AA. Now let me put enter. Now let's say, let me put AC here. So it is returning me marketing. Now what if the AC repeats twice? In that case, what will happen? As you can see, now the Excel has returned me IT instead of marketing. Why? Because we have selected -1. So it is searching from last to first in a reverse order. Now let me make it 1 again. Enter. Excel is giving me marketing. This flexibility is available with XLOOKUP formula, but not with the VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP formula or HLOOKUP formula will by default go from first to last. Will by default search from first to last. So that is yet another difference between XLOOKUP and H or VLOOKUP, and that makes XLOOKUP more powerful. Now let us do one more thing, whether XLOOKUP is intelligent enough to differentiate between alphabets and numerics. So here, instead of AC, let me make it mm, any random value. Let's say A123, and instead of this AC, I will make it, let's say, CA. Now 0 is the exact match, so obviously we will get error. Now let me put it 1, exact match or next larger atom. So see, this is returning me finance, which is BA, because alphabetically BA is the next, uh, logically the next larger value. So Excel is able to segregate between numerics and text. Now let's say I make it AC123. Now what happens? Now Excel is returning me marketing. Now let me make it AB. Still the result is marketing. Now why? Because AC comes after AB, so Excel is doing it, searching it that way. Now instead of AC123, let me make it AC123. So see, the result has changed to finance. It is giving search going to the next value, X lookup. So that is how it works. Now what if I convert all this into numerics? Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2. See, automatically, if you can see, the result is changing. It has gone to the IT now, CA, because there are no alphabets here. Now let me make it, let's say AB 3, 4, 5. I'm just putting some random values. C 1, 2, 3, and FA 4, 5, 6. Now let's say change it to CF. See, so it is picking up cells. CF doesn't exist, so it is going to the next largest value. So FA will come after CF, so it is returning cells. Now what if there are only numerics? So let's say, so now it is saying not found. Why? Because there are no alphabets in this at all. So Excel has no way to go to the next large value. We have selected one here. Now let me put some random number, let's say CF123. Still it won't search. Now let me make it 123 CF. Now let's see what happens. No, still it is not picking up. So I hope you have understood how this function works, and thank you.